Everything around you, water, food, electricity, even the chair you sit on, tells the story of resources. These everyday objects might seem simple, but they are all part of a much bigger picture that connects us to the world. A resource is anything valuable that helps us meet our needs and build our lives. It could be something as basic as food and water, or as complex as the technology in your pocket. From air to knowledge, resources are the building blocks of our existence. They shape our experiences, our opportunities, and even our dreams for the future. Your morning routine is full of them. The electricity for your light, water from the tap, and the comfort of your home all rely on resources working together. Bread and milk for breakfast are more than just food. They are the result of farming, transportation, and many people's hard work. The bus or car you take to school is powered by fuel, built from metals, and designed by engineers, all using resources. And even your school and teachers are part of this network, using knowledge, materials, and energy to help you learn. The key is utility. Something becomes a resource only when we know how to use it. It's our creativity and understanding that unlocks their value. Coal was just a rock until we learned to burn it for energy. It became a resource when we discovered its potential. Wind was just air until we harnessed it for power. Our ability to innovate turns ordinary things into extraordinary resources. The value of a resource changes with new technology and ideas. What we consider valuable today might be different tomorrow. Geography isn't just about maps. It's about understanding the resources that support our lives and how they are distributed across the planet. By studying resources, we see how nature and society connect and how our choices impact the world around us. We learn where things come from, how we use them, and our responsibility to use them wisely, so future generations can thrive too. This journey into resources is really a journey into understanding ourselves and our place on Earth. It's about seeing the invisible threads that connect us all. Every day, the things we use are part of this bigger story, a story of people, nature, and possibility. Let's start asking questions about the resources that shape our world and discover how we can make a difference. To make sense of resources and how they shape our lives, we group them into three main types: natural resources, human-made resources, and human resources. Each of these plays a unique and important role in our daily lives and in the development of society as a whole. Think of them as three toolboxes, each one essential for building and sustaining our world. Just like a builder needs different tools for different jobs, societies rely on these resources in different ways. Natural resources come directly from nature: air, water, soil, forests, and minerals. These are gifts from the earth that exist without any human intervention. They're the foundation of life and the raw materials for everything we make. Without them, nothing else would be possible, as they provide the basic ingredients for survival and progress. Human-made resources are created by people using their skills, creativity, and technology. These are things we invent, build, and improve upon. We transform natural resources into steel, buildings, cars, plastics, and computers, turning raw materials into useful products that make modern life possible. These inventions and creations show our ability to shape the world, to meet our needs and solve problems, big and small. Human resources are people, their knowledge, skills, health, and motivation. It's the power of human minds and hands working together. A healthy, educated population is a nation's greatest asset, driving progress, innovation, and well-being for everyone. People discover, develop, and use all other resources. Without human effort and imagination, resources would remain untapped and unused. Without human ingenuity, iron ore is just a rock, and a river is just water flowing by. It's people who unlock their true value. Each type of resource is vital, and together, they drive progress and innovation. When combined, they help societies grow, adapt, and overcome challenges. Understanding these categories helps us see how societies grow and thrive, and why it's important to use resources wisely and responsibly. Let's explore each one in more detail and discover how they shape the world around us. Natural resources are the treasures our planet provides: sunlight, air, water, soil, forests, and minerals. These gifts are the foundation of life on Earth, supporting every living thing and making our world vibrant and diverse. They're the raw materials that fuel our industries and sustain life. From the food we eat to the energy that powers our homes and cities, natural resources are at the heart of our daily lives. Oceans give us food and regulate climate. Forests provide wood, paper, and habitats. These ecosystems are also home to countless species, playing a vital role in maintaining balance in nature. Beneath the ground, we find gold, diamonds, and fossil fuels that power our world. These underground riches have shaped civilizations and driven technological progress for centuries. Even landscapes like mountains and beaches attract tourists and support economies. Natural beauty draws people from around the globe, creating jobs and inspiring wonder. The value of these resources shapes entire countries and economies. Trade, agriculture, and industry all depend on what nature provides. Clean water and fertile soil are critical for health and food. Without them, communities struggle to thrive and grow. Our history is shaped by the quest for these resources. Civilizations have risen and fallen based on their access to nature's wealth. But they're not infinite. How we manage them affects our future. Overuse and neglect can lead to scarcity and environmental harm. Using natural resources wisely is essential for our well-being and the planet's health. By making thoughtful choices, we can ensure these gifts endure for generations to come. Human-made resources are what we create from nature's gifts. We use intelligence and skill to turn raw materials into useful things: buildings, roads, vehicles, and tools. Take a plastic bottle. Petroleum is transformed through science and technology into plastic, then shaped in factories. The factory, machines, and technology are all human-made resources. Our infrastructure, roads, bridges, power grids, connects and powers our world. Cities, with their buildings and networks, are the ultimate human-made resources. Technology itself is a resource, from the wheel to the internet. As our knowledge grows, so does our ability to create new resources. Human-made resources solve problems and improve lives. They show how creativity and innovation reshape our world. The most important resource is people, our skills, knowledge, health, and creativity. A country rich in minerals is powerless without skilled people to use them. Education and health make people valuable resources. Educated, healthy people become scientists, engineers, teachers, and innovators. Human intelligence drives progress in every field. People turn raw materials and tools into solutions for society. Developing human resources through education and health is crucial for any nation. When you learn and grow, you're building yourself as a resource. Every student is a future doctor, artist, or leader. Human resources shape the world and unlock the potential of all other resources. Natural resources can be renewable or non-renewable, depending on how quickly they can be replaced. Renewable resources, like solar energy, wind, and water, can be replenished if managed well. Forests are renewable if we replant trees as we cut them. Non-renewable resources, like coal, petroleum, and minerals, take millions of years to form and can run out. Our society relies heavily on non-renewables, especially for energy. As we use them up, they become scarcer and more expensive. This creates a need to shift toward renewables for a sustainable future. Managing these timelines is crucial for planning ahead. The choices we make today affect what's available tomorrow. That's why renewable energy and conservation are so important. Natural resources can also be classified by where they're found: ubiquitous or localized. Ubiquitous resources like air and sunlight are found everywhere. Everyone has access to them, and they're essential for life. Localized resources like copper, gold, and oil are found only in certain places. This uneven distribution shapes global trade and economies. Countries rich in certain resources can become wealthy, while others depend on imports. Trade and even conflict can arise from this imbalance. Our world is interconnected by the flow of these resources. Understanding where resources are found helps explain global relationships. Geography and economics are deeply linked by resource distribution. Many vital resources are limited and our demand keeps growing. Non-renewable resources like coal and petroleum can run out if we're not careful. Conservation means using resources wisely and avoiding waste. Even renewable resources like water can become scarce if overused or polluted. Small actions, like turning off taps or recycling, add up to big savings. Overusing forests or oceans can destroy them for future generations. Conservation balances our needs with the planet's health. Extracting and using resources often harms the environment. By conserving, we protect both resources and nature. It's a win-win. We stretch supplies and safeguard our planet. Sustainable development means meeting today's needs without harming the future. It's about using resources wisely so future generations can thrive. Imagine taking only one apple a day from a tree, not cutting it down for a feast. Sustainable development connects geography to real-life choices, like using renewable energy, recycling, and protecting biodiversity. It encourages innovation and harmony with nature. Everyone has a role: governments, companies, and individuals. Small daily actions, saving energy, water, and recycling, make a big difference. Geography gives you the knowledge to face these challenges. You can help build a fairer, more sustainable world for everyone.